Hello class 12. Already we have started the chapter determinant in algebra, and 2 marks questions and all the properties of determinant theory part already completed, and today we'll start 4 marks questions. Okay, and same exercise 2b, maybe your in your book exercise may not match, maybe it is 2c or 3a, whatever, but in my book it is exercise 2b, that is why I have written here. You just check. And now we have to show 1 alpha alpha square, 1 beta beta square, 1 gamma gamma square is equal to these three factors: alpha minus beta, beta minus gamma, gamma minus alpha. Okay, now left hand side we will just start with the left hand side, and we will first change r1 and then r2, that means r1 dash the new r1, r2 dash the new r2. Already I have said in the last video. That is 1 minus 1, that is equals to 0, alpha minus beta, and alpha square minus beta square. Similarly, the second row will be 1 minus 1, that is 0, beta minus gamma, beta square minus gamma square. And the third row will remain same, 1 gamma gamma square. Now, from the first row what we get? 0, alpha minus beta, and alpha square minus beta. Alpha square minus beta square means alpha plus beta into alpha minus beta. So from in the first row we get the common element as alpha minus beta, and in the second row same thing here, beta square minus gamma square. We can write this as beta plus gamma into beta minus gamma. As beta minus gamma is already there, so beta minus gamma we can take it outside the determinant. So what the two factors are alpha minus beta and beta minus gamma already taken out, and in the determinant what we get? 0 1 alpha plus beta, 0 1 beta plus gamma, 1 gamma gamma square. Okay, now we can expand this with respect to, this is first column and the third row, intersection of first column and the third row. That means we can expand with respect to the first column. With respect to the element 1, this sign is also plus, because plus minus plus, minus plus minus, this is again plus. With respect to 1, if these two, first column and the third row, if we of these two, then 1 into beta plus gamma minus 1 into alpha plus beta. So beta plus gamma minus alpha plus beta. So what we will get? Alpha minus beta into beta minus gamma into gamma minus alpha. Just calculate this part. Then we will get the right hand side. Next, sum number 4. Sum number 4. Some number may not same, but all the sums are same. It is 4, maybe in your book it is 2 or it is 5. It may be 4 also, I don't know. B plus C plus 2A, B, C, A, C plus A plus 2B. That is equals to, we have to put 2 into A plus B plus C whole cube. Okay, now left hand side is this. Okay, we will start with the left hand side, and first column will be C1 dashed equals to C1 plus C2 plus C3. C1 plus C2 plus C3. So A plus B plus 2C plus A plus B. Plus A means 2A, plus B means 2B. So what we will get? A plus B plus C again. So we can write here directly, 2 into A plus B plus C, A, B, and the same thing here. So it will be again 2 into A plus B plus C. Here it will be B plus C plus 2A, and it is B. And the third one also same, 2 into A plus B plus C, and it is A, and it is C plus A plus 2B. Now we can take outside 2 into A plus B plus C outside the determinant, as it is the common element. So it will be 1 A B, 1 B plus C plus 2A. This is B, 1 A C plus A plus 2B. Okay, now second row second row we can change. Second row equals to second R2 dash equals to R2 minus R1. We will change the second row. R2 dash equals to R2 minus R1. That means first row will remain same. So 1AB, and second row 1 minus 1 will be 0. B plus C plus 2A minus A. So plus 2A minus A means only A. So it is coming only A plus B plus C. And this is B minus C. B minus B again 0. Similarly, the third row 1 minus A, and R3 dashed will be R3 minus R2. So it will be 1 minus 1 is 0 and A minus of this. So it is a minus a B plus C minus A. A minus of all these things. So it will be minus A minus B minus C. So we can take A plus B plus minus of A plus B plus C, and C plus A plus 2B minus B. So it is again A plus B plus C. Okay. Now from here we can write here no space. So from the second row we can take outside A plus B plus C. From the third row again we can take outside A plus B plus C. So what we will get? 2 into A plus B plus C whole cube, and in the bracket what we will get? 1AB 0 1 0 0 minus 1 1. Okay, so if we expand this part we will get only 1. So 2 into A plus B plus C whole cube into, actually is coming 1 minus 0. So it 1 minus 0 is 1. So 2 into A plus B plus C whole cube, that is equal to right hand side. Okay, this is sum number 4. Coming with the next sum. Next sum number 7. Many sums are there. Do practice, everyone. Sum number 7. What's the question? A, B, C, A square, B square, C square, B plus C, C plus A plus B. And factors are A minus B, B minus C, C minus A plus B plus C. 4 factors. We have to prove this. Again we will start from the left hand side. So LHS equals to this. Okay. ABC A square, B square, C square, B plus C, C plus A plus B. At first C1 dashed. It is C1 minus C2. Then C2 dashed. C2 minus C3. That means A minus B. And A square minus B square means A plus B into A minus B. Write directly. And it's coming B plus C minus C plus A. So B plus C minus C cancel, it will be only B minus A. And here also same, it is coming B minus C, it will be B plus C into B minus C. And C plus A minus A cancel, it will be only C minus B. And third column will remain same. So C is C square, A plus B. Now A minus B from the first column and B minus C from the second column we can take outside. So A minus B into B minus C. So what we will get in the determinant? 1, 0, 1, A minus B, and A minus B from the first column. So 1, right here A plus B, and B minus C is there, so it will be minus 1. And from here B minus C taken out, so B minus C, this will be 1. Next it will be B plus C. Next it will be minus 1. It is C, C square, A plus B. Got it? Now A minus B, B minus C will be B plus C, again 1, 0, then it is C, it's coming A plus B, C minus A, it is C square is minus 1, 0, A plus B. Okay, just expand this, then we will get this. I'm not going to do the expansion part, so answer will be A minus B, B minus C. Expanded part already I did this in the PDF. You can get it. Go through that. Expand. Just we have to expand this part. Then it will be proved to the right hand side. Okay. Coming with the next video with other sums.